Hey Python coders, in this video we will be learning how to make Indian flag using the Python Turtle library. For more such videos you can refer to our Learn Python series. So let's get started by importing Turtle library. So, Turtle as T, and we'll also write t.main loop so that the turtle screen does not disappear, and let us first create a line, then we'll see how to create the whole flag. So let it be 300 pixels, and if I run this, so you can see a line is created with 300 pixels. The next thing is to so this line is created. Next thing is to rotate by 90 degree towards right. So right, by we can rotate it like this, and we can make this length. So if this we set as 300, then this can be 100, and then we can use a for loop to complete this rectangle. So let us see. So t dot right 90 and t dot forward 100, and then again we will rotate it 90, and let's run this. If this will be fine, we'll use the for loop. Yeah, this is fine, so we can use the for loop for I in range 2. 2 is the range of 5 because we are making two sides when for loop is going once. So there are four sides in a rectangle, so the for loop should go twice. Let us see, and the rectangle is created. Let us just bring this rectangle here because we need to make the whole flag. And so what we will do is we'll use goto. So let's say minus 200 comma 120. We can give any coordinate according to us. We just need to shift that flag. So we can see a line is created from the home 0, 0 to the point we gave. So for this line to disappear, what we need to do is we need to use t dot up and t dot down. What t dot up will do, it will not create a line, it will just move the turtle. And t dot down is because we need to draw the strip and all other rectangles which we'll be drawing in the next. So for that, t dot up down is required. So here we will write t dot up, and here we will write t dot down. So let us see if that line disappears, and yes. So we have successfully created one rectangle. Now next thing is to fill this color. Fill the color of the strip. So the color is orange, and t dot begin fill. And here we will be writing t dot end fill. So first we set the color to be orange, that is to be filled, and then we use the begin fill and end fill. Uh, Between this is the rectangle or the strip which we want it to be filled with orange color. So let us see, and yes, the rectangle is filled with orange color. Now the next thing is to rotate it 90 degree and bring it here. So let us just see. So for this we'll rotate it 90 and then we'll bring it here, then here, or directly we can just bring it here. So this one will be get it. Then we will move here 300 and we'll complete this rectangle like this. Let us see. You can also comment this. It's better to write comments. So here it is orange strip, then here it is white strip. T dot right, I suppose. I need to run the program again. Yes, it was t dot right, and we need to move it here. Okay. So let us see t dot forward, and 100 plus 100, which is 200. Then again we can say t dot right 90, and then we need to move forward 100. So let us check. Okay, so I think I gave the wrong direction. It was going like this, so it should go towards left, and what I gave is okay. I'm a second revert here, right? So let us see this now. And yeah, it's going fine now. It should go 300. 300, and then it should have to go towards left by 100. Okay. One more thing we can do, it's going so slowly, so we can just write here t dot tracer 0, 0, which means that it will just print the result quickly. Okay. So here it was 300, and then t dot left, and then forward by 100. Let us see. So orange is created, and white is also created as the line is not visible. So for that we need to comment this. We can use the tracer at the last to see the result quickly. Okay, so white strip is created. Now the next thing is we can rotate it by 180 degree and move forward it 100, and then 100, and then make a rectangle. Or we can just move it backwards too. But the easiest one is to rotate it 180 degree and then move 100 forward and then 100 forward. This is because we need to color this third strip with green color. Let us just start. Instead of explaining, let me just show you. If we let us again, and so a cursor is here. Let's say if I move backward 200, t dot backward 200. Okay, and then backward 200, and then we'll rotate it left, and then we'll move by 300. So forward 300, and then we'll rotate it towards right, then we'll move forward by 100. So let us see, this will work, of course. Yeah, so all the three steps are being made. Now the next thing is to color this. So fill color green and t dot begin fill. Let us see if this fills correctly or not. So orange step is bad, white also, and green is wrong. Let me explain you why. So this is because we used begin fill from t dot backward 200. So that means we used it from this very point only. So one way is just to write here t dot backward 100. Then above this we can just, so inside fill color we have only put t dot backward 100. Now let us see if this is correct or not. And yes, it's correct now. So all the steps are made. Now the next thing is to make chakra. To make chakra, what can we do is we can just use the go to, and we can take one coordinate of this, coordinate of a point on the circumference of the circle. Let us see how. So we'll write t dot up, T dot down, otherwise it will make a line, and then we'll use go to. So for go to, let us say 0, comma 0 is the point, and we can even mark the point. So later we'll just comment this to T dot 10, and we'll create a circle. So circle be of 50 radius, let's say, because the white strip is of 100 width. Let us see where the circle is created. So you can see it's created here, and it's not created. So it is because we haven't written the dot down. So we'll just see this again. So what circle is created now? Okay. Now the circle is not fine because we made it at 0, comma 0. So we need to bring it down. So for bringing it down, we should just change the y coordinate. So let's say you put minus 30. And if we see now whether the circle is right, and yeah, it seems in a correct place now. We can remove this dot a little while before we make just before let us just make the spokes. So if we just rotate it towards left by 90 and move 50, so one spoke will be formed. So rotate it towards left and we'll move forward 50. Let us see. So it has created one spoke. Now the next thing is to make 24 spokes. So for making 24 spokes, we can just divide 360 by 24, which I suppose is 15, and yeah, it's 15. So we can rotate this by 15 degree, and then we can create one spoke, then we'll come back to the center, then we'll rotate by 15, and like this we can do 24 times. And don't worry, we'll not write it 24 times because we have for loop. We'll just use the for loop. So we'll write here for I in range 24, and then what we have to do is yeah, Akash is there. So let us just put this here and stand. So we need to use the for loop 24 times, and now we need to first rotate it by 15 degree and then move forward. Forward will be like this. So you can rotate it left or right. So 15 degree, and then T dot forward. So this length will be 50 because the radius is 50. Let us see. We can even hide the cursor. So T dot hide total. Let us see our program now. So it's not making it correctly because mm, because we have not written the backward one, right? I said, but I forgot to write. It should come back to the center, then only it should have to be rotated. So now let us see this again. Ooh, wow, it's making all the spokes. So yeah, I've successfully made the spokes, but wait, this is of blue color. So let us just set the color for this, and we don't even need this dot now. So let us comment this, and here we can write the dot color. Chakra is of blue color, so blue. And now let us go. So it is successfully creating the Indian flag. Wow, it looks so beautiful. I hope you understand the code. What we did was, first we made the orange strip. For making the orange strip, we just made a rectangle and filled it with the orange color, then a white strip, and then a green strip. Thereafter, for making the chakra, can comment here chakra. What we did is we chose it to be of blue color because it actually is of blue color. Then we just use the go to command to go to a certain point, which is the circumference of a circle, a point on the circumference of the circle, and then we made a circle of 50 radius. Then we made the spokes using the for loop. So this was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Do hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more coding content. Happy coding!